Yeah, yeah. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is my first video of 2019 and I'm so excited to be back on the right track. This video I'm going to be showing you a few new products I decided to try out. The first one actually being this Anastasia brow pencil. So usually I use some type of pomade, usually from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And what I realized that I like about this brow pencil is that I have a little bit more control compared to a pomade and a brush. But I just love my pomades. But I wanted to try this to see the difference. And I definitely can see myself using both together, which I feel like most people do anyways. So this, I'm just filling in both of my brows. Now that my brows are done, I'm actually trying this Smashbox foundation. I realize like it looks like it's my color, but some concealer on your under eye usually brightens up your face anyway. So I like to go a couple shades darker. Not a couple, but like maybe one shade darker. But I do love this formula. Next, I'm going to be trying the Born This Way concealer. So I got one darker color and one lighter color. I'm going to be using the darker color to contour. And I love the way that this made my skin look. It was very easy to blend and it was just like the perfect shade. Next, I'm going to be taking the lighter color and putting that underneath my eye. My thoughts on these Born This Way concealers is that they're super blendable and they're just like the perfect formula as well. I do love these and I haven't tried the foundations yet, but I would love to get my hands on the foundation and just see what this formula is or if it's similar to the concealers because I love the way that these turned out on my skin. So there are a few products that I'm using that I'm not showing you, mainly because they're not new products. But I wanted this video to be about the new products that I purchased. And I'm trying this Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette for the very first time. And I love these colors. They're so pigmented. And I actually got this palette from TJ Maxx. And look at all these variety of colors. They have the shimmers. They have the matte. And the eye color or eye look that you can make with these are endless. And so I'm using this dark like burgundy color for the outside of my eyes and I'm leaving the center of my eye blank because then I'm going to use another one of the shimmer colors to fill it in. This shimmer color I was using, it was so interesting. It's really pretty, but it's like a reflective color. So in the palette, it looks like a silverish purple color. Then when you put it on your eye, it looks like that too, right? So it looks like a silver color. But then it also looked like a purple color. It was so interesting, but I loved it. It actually turned out really great. You can kind of see it on my eye. I mean, right now it looks like my eye is ashy just from like the white color, but then you can also see the shimmer. So I kept checking to make sure the product was actually getting on there because like I said, the color was very interesting. So as you can see, I went and did my hair off camera. I usually like to do this before I finish my look, and so now I'm lining my lips with this Morphe lip pencil. They have a bunch of different colors that you can purchase offline, and they're not super expensive. I'm realizing I like pencils for lip liners compared to the other creams just because once you run out of the creams and the stick, then you're out. But with the pencil, you can continue to sharpen and sharpen until there's very little left. And you can get it like super sharp. So I'm lining this and then I'm applying this NYX lipstick. This NYX lipstick is not new, but I wanted to show you. It's like a nude pinkish color. So this does complete this look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I think it's helpful to try new products and step out of your comfort zone, which I don't do often. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next upload. Toodles!